Hi guys! For today's video, I will be showing you what's the difference between the Gemini CRM 3149 and then the Gemini CRM 3200F. So many of you guys are wondering kung ano nga ba yung pinagkaiba nila since yung price nila is almost the same lang naman. So before we differentiate the machine, punta muna tayo sa kanilang mga similarities. So for the internal parts, both machines, we are using dual boiler. So when you say dual boiler, pwede na po natin pagsabayin yung extraction natin and then yung steaming natin without any delay. Isang similarities rin nila is that they are using both vibratory pump with a 15 bar pressure. Inform ko lang kayo guys, so when we say vibratory pump, pag nag-pull tayo ng shots, talagang maingay or nanginginig yung tunog niya. And it's normal po because of the pump. So isang similarities din nila is that both you have optional for the water source. So you can use water tank, removable sila both, and then you can direct it to your water line. So meron silang inlet or water line sa ilalim natin. And for the wastewater, pwede tayo gumamit ng drain hose. So you can connect your drainage line sa ilalim at the bottom, or you can use drip tray na tapon-tapon tayo if ever na wala pa kayong drainage line. And also, both they are using steaming knob sa pag-on ng steam natin. Steaming knob. And then, ayan, cup warmer, or pwede nyo patungan ng cups. So, yon ang kanilang mga similarities. Proceed naman tayo sa kanilang pinagkaiba. First na pinagkaiba sa machine is that 3200F natin is old model siya, while si 3149 natin is mas latest compared kay 3200. Ang mas naunang sumikat sa market natin is yung 3200, mas maraming nang nakagamit sa kanya since si 3149 is bagong release ni Gemini. Ang kinagandahan kasi is that 3149 mas pina-upgraded version na siya ni 3200F. Meron na siyang LCD screen na nakikita na natin yung timer and then yung temperature natin for the brew. While si 3200F natin, wala siyang LCD screen. And also, 3200F is hindi na natin pwedeng iset yung temperature niya and then yung pre-infusion, naka-standard na siya. While si 3149, ang kinagandahan sa kanya, let's say gagamit kayo ng different kind of beans, let's say medium roast, dark roast, light roast, pwede nyo nang i-adjust yung temperature nyo for the brewing. And also, sa pre-infusion niya is adjustable na rin. 3149, both naman sila is can be programmed, but 3149 is programmable na siya by volume. Let's say sinet nyo yung single shot niya ng 30 ml lang i-dispense niya. While 3200F natin is programmable siya by seconds. So let's say sinet nyo yung single shot ng 20 seconds, automatic siya mag-stop ng 20 seconds only. Yung major difference nila, so mas madali kayong mag-calibrate kay 3149. 3149, as you can see, meron din siyang 2 gauge. Sa lower left, steam gauge, and then sa upper right natin, pressure gauge for the brewing. Unlike kay 3200F natin, isa lang yung gauge niya. Ito lang for brewing natin. Nasa lower right ko. And ang indicator naman po na pwedeng magamit for the 3149, kailangan nakastable na yung LCD natin or yung temp na naset nyo or yung default. And then yung steam gauge natin umabove. Umabove ng at least 2.5. So pag umabove siya, it means pwede na siyang magamit or fully preheat na siya. Compare kay 3200, ang indicator na pwede na siyang magamit guys, kailangan lahat ng mga buttons natin may ilaw. Pati yung sa may ilalim ng power button para malaman natin or yung indicator na pwede nang magamit yung 3200 natin. And also, isang different pa nila is that 3149, pagka wala na siyang tubig, let's say, naubusan na kayo ng tubig, meron siyang indicator na lalabas sa LCD screen. So, ang lalabas sa LCD natin is F3, means po wala ng tubig si water tank, and F0 means hindi nakakabit na maigi si water tank. Unlike po kay 3200F, pag naubusan siya ng tubig, mag-iiba yung noise niya. So, parang yung noise niya yung sobrang ingay na sobrang ragaratel yung tunog niya. Yun yung difference nila, wala siyang indicator or screen na nakikita kung ubos na po ba yung tubig. So yun na naman guys, ang different nila. Both, meron silang color variant na white and then black, and also available sa shop namin or sa stores namin online. We do have website, koreaiko.com, also Shopee, Lazada, if you want to place an order for this machine. So readily available naman sila guys on hand. So yun lang guys, I hope nasagot ko yung questions natin regarding sa different ni 3149 and then ni 3200F. And then if you have more questions or concern, just message us on our Facebook page, Koreaiko Philippines, and also kindly follow us on our social media accounts, Instagram, TikTok, and then YouTube for more video about the Gemini and Milesto machine, and also on our grinders. Bye!